Hello, I am Anvita Birje from Thakur College of Engineering. Here I am explaining the power supply. Power supply is an electronic device which is used for producing the energy or the voltage to the electronic device. Here in the lab we have three types of power supply. Here especially we talk about the DC power supply. DC power supply which is generating DC voltages. Dual power supply. Dual means we have two independent voltage source. For the measurement and for each power supply we have two knobs, coarse and fine. For the testing purpose I use multimeter. So red probe of the multimeter we connect to the positive terminal of power supply, and the black probe of the multimeter will connect to the negative terminal of the voltage supply. You can see the reading. For the changing the voltage, I can vary coarse and fine button. This power supply gives you the voltage from 0 volt to the 32 volts. We can connect this power supply to the circuit. The positive voltage to the positive source with the negative terminal. Like this we can connect the power supply. So if requirement is 6. So 6 volt we can give the circuit. But if you have any problem in the circuit, if there is short circuit, this CC will glow. So this LED indicates there is some short circuit in the your breadboard. The second power supply is multiple DC power supply. Here we have three options. The first option is the positive voltage. So positive terminal and negative terminal. Here we can get plus 5 volt. This voltage can be varied from 4.5 to the 5.5. The second option is plus minus 15 volt. So for the performing the practical of op-amp, we need plus minus 15 volt. So these are the three terminals. The one that is middle one is the common terminal which we have to connect to the black probe of the multimeter. Then the red probe we have to connect to positive 15 volt. So here you can vary the voltage from 12 to 15 volt. That is positive voltage. The next one is if I connect this negative probe to the minus 15 volt. This middle one is the common terminal. So now I can vary the voltage, that is negative 12 to negative 15 volts. Third option is the same as the first case. That voltage will be vary from 0 to 32. Third power supply model is similar to the second one, that is we have three options, but here we have A, B and C section. So in A section I connect red and black probe. Now I will select the display option for the A. So now the display option is the voltage, it is showing the voltage range, that is 6 volt. Now I can vary this voltage from this coarse and fine button. Second option is B, that is fixed 5 volt. So I will select the option, display option 5. Here I will get fixed 5 volt. It's near about 5 volt. Then the third option is plus minus 15 volt. So for that the display option is minus 15 or plus 15. Now it is showing the minus 15. So the middle one, that is black probe, I have connected to the 0, that is common voltage, and this one is negative voltage. So you will get the reading minus 40. Also this one is the variable, so you can vary this section from the right hand side. This will be vary from 0 to 50. Similarly we can check the positive voltage. This also vary from 0 to plus 50.